talk.
Oh, hi! So I'm gonna make a quick cashew milk with the Nama juicer. I didn't know he was starting yet, so I didn't have all my stuff together. But yeah. So this is only my second time using it. Ron used it today to make his own juice. You know, this thing is a game changer in more ways than one because I was the exclusive juice maker prior to the Nama coming in the house. So now I've got some help. It's nice. So I found a recipe in here for almond milk. 2 cups raw almonds, 2 cups filtered water, 2 to 3 dates with pits removed. So you soak the almonds in water overnight. Soak dates with pits removed in a little warm water to soften for 20 to 30 minutes. Drain and rinse almonds with fresh water. Add almonds, dates, and equal parts fresh filtered water into the juicer. For best results, add ingredients through the hole in the hopper lid while the lid is closed. So I have to put this on. And I don't really know how to put this on. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to close that. And I'm going to pour it in through here. And I wasn't sure, it doesn't say which strainer to use because it comes with 2 strainers. So I was looking through and didn't find anything in here. But it does have a lot of really good recipes in here. So I had to look in the manual. And I just went to the front and I was trying to figure out, which one of these would be the area? Strainers. So then I went to the strainers page. And then it tells you which strainer to use for what. So the juice strainer is used for silky plant-based milks. So that's what I'm going to do. So you have to do a little investigative work to get that. And I got it. So I have to get one more thing. So I'm going to pour all of this into the measuring cup. So it's my dates and the cashews, raw cashews, that I've been soaking since last night. So I'm going to pour all of this in there. I don't like the way dates look. They look like big bugs to me. I don't want to drop any. Okay. I lost one, but that's okay. So it says to slowly pour it in. And also you can add other stuff if you want. So I'm going to try, it said 2 to 3 dates, but I added 5. It also said you can add other things if you want. So I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla extract and see how that comes out. See if I like it. I mean, I'm sure I like it. Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. All right. Let's get started. Seems like I'm getting all the water out, but not this stuff. Is my arm in the way?
Everything's in the way.
Oh, everything's in the way. Alright. Wow, it's making it really fast. Look how that pulpy stuff. That pulp.
Okay, it's dark over there. Now you're saying that's our almond milk.
That's cashew milk.
Oh, cashew milk.
Yeah.
I wasn't listening, sorry.
You weren't listening.
No.
I see one more nut left in there. But I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, I'm going to taste it. Well, I can leave it right in this. Smells good. Oh. That's not bad. Like if I ate cereal, I could put this in my cereal. We could use it for smoothies. It definitely tastes better than store-bought milk. Like store-bought plant-based milk.
Because then you can put your own ingredients and make it however you want to.
And some people, it said you can put vanilla or maple syrup. That's good.
Well, how would you put maple syrup in that?
You
Explain
will
that.
pour it in with this.
Oh, and let it do its thing
Mhm.
inside
You
the
can also
machine.
add it later and just like whip it up, I guess, or mix it, blend it.
Blend it, right?
But yeah.
Because the maple syrup I don't get, but that stuff I understand because that's a little bit more liquefied than maple syrup.
So I'm gonna just put this in the fridge, and we can use it to make a smoothie tomorrow.
Which I'm kind of funky, y'all. I use water for my smoothies.
The pulp. It made a banana. It's interesting. Doesn't taste bad. I like cashews though. It's just cashews, water, vanilla, and dates.
That's
No
it.
preservatives.
And it did it
No
pretty-
gums or extracts.
It did
Or
it pretty fast.
yeah. So I know that if I want to fill this up, I need to do 4 cups of nuts, 4 cups of water. I would make it a little bit sweeter by putting more dates or more vanilla, or maybe I'll even try maple syrup next time, or agave.
You're not getting any little date chunks in there?
No, it's completely smooth. There's nothing.
Oh, cool.
Look, nothing.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. It's good.
That's cool.
All right. So that's it.
Saying bye.
Oh, bye.
See y'all later.